I'm here with another seasonal look. It's similar to the spring look, if you can see. It's a little darker and a little bit more fine to ignore the floss today. I'm out of cover up. Anyway, so we're gonna start the look today with using the same orange we used for the spring, fall and summer. Tropical Fusion. We use that orange and the one that's still surviving. We're gonna put that on top. Making funny faces because I've noticed my mouth is open whenever I do this shit. Sorry for the bad language. I just get it all on the lid. Not too high though. Next up, we're going to be using NYC Sparkle Eye Dust in Smoky Topaz. How convenient. This whole look is kind of trying to imitate the leaves, which is kind of why it's right after the summer, because it's kind of like a dying out version of it, I guess you can say. But I like it, even if it sounds bad. So, after that, we're going to take Maybelline Shimmer in Night Sky, totally destroyed. I'm gonna put that all along the lash line. Kind of like wing it out. You know what I mean by wing? Like, keep it going up into the brown. Put a little more here. Yeah. See what I did? Yeah. Okay. Next up, we're gonna do here. Real dark. You can go as dark or light as you want. It's all good. Seriously, for reals, my faces are ridiculous in the display photos. It's kind of angry. Whatever. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take the liquid eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline Line Stilettos. It's gorgeous. And it's going to be a two-step thing. Okay, so first we're going to get as low as possible. I can't really see what I'm doing from this distance, but I think it's good. Yeah. And I'll do big, that'll do, let it dry. Can I see what I did? Let me do it again. I guess that will do. Whatever. And then, after that's dried, it's not that long, like 2 seconds, you're gonna make a wing in between and just kind of flick it. No, flick a little more. wherever you feel appropriate to flicking, and then just blend the two. Get it. Go a little more if you want. I approve. So then, I'm gonna take trusty Visions Formula mascara, take it in black. I will use the purple in a look one day, just not yet. And do this. Yeah, you know. And then I found my lash color the other day, so I feel like I'm gonna use it. You can or cannot. Yeah, I think it looks better if you do. You can be the judge of that. Now finally for lips. I'm gonna take this neutral color. I mentioned the name of it in the last video I did, so you can check that out. It's in the underbar of my previous video. Okay, so here. It's a delicious color on its own, but we're gonna put a hot pink. I got this for Christmas one year, but I love it. It's beautiful at it. It's sparkly. And not as bright as you think it would be. Just gives it that little extra oomph. And there you have it. It's inspired by fall, but you can wear it anytime. And I'll see you later.